If you've got a paper check and want to deposit it without visiting a bank, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to deposit a check using Cash App step by step, so you can get your money faster and without any confusion. Before we start, make sure your check meets the requirements. It must be made out to you or an approved joint account holder, payable in US dollars, properly signed by the issuer, and not expired or altered. The amount must be within Cash App's limits, up to $3,500 per check and $7,500 per month. Finally, endorse the back of the check and write Cash App Deposit under your signature to avoid any issues. Now, open your Cash App and tap on the bank icon at the bottom left of your screen. This will take you to the banking section. Scroll down and select Checks. Enter the exact amount written on your check, then tap Confirm Amount. Next, Cash App will guide you through confirming the front and back of your check. Once confirmed, tap Take Photo for the front, line it up using the on-screen grid, and let Cash App snap the photo. Repeat the same process for the back of the check. Make sure you use a flat and dark background and good lighting so the photos are clear. Once both sides are captured, tap Submit. You'll see a confirmation screen with the amount and a reminder that funds usually take 3 to 4 business days to clear, so keep an eye on your balance. And that's it. You've just deposited a check without leaving your home. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick guides on Cash App and digital banking. And check the description below for more tips and resources.